In this video, we listed the 5 best camera drone on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. L900 Pro Drone. The drone L900 Pro 4K Professional 5G GPS HD dual camera photography brushless foldable quadcopter is a high-performance camera drone designed for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. It features a brushless motor, ensuring quiet and powerful operation with minimal breakdowns. The drone is equipped with dual cameras, including an Escape 4K HD wide-angle camera that can be adjusted by 90 degrees using the controller, and a bottom camera with resolutions of 640 for 80p for photos and 1280 720p for videos. It supports 5G Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time transmission of images and videos through a mobile app. The drone offers GPS-assisted flight, providing precise positioning details and automatic return-to-home functionality when the battery is low or the signal is weak. With optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode, the drone can hover stably, facilitating easier shooting indoors. It supports gesture photo, video capture within a range of 1 to 3 meters and boasts a maximum flight time of 28 minutes thanks to its high-capacity 7.4V 2200 mAh lithium battery. The quadcopter is foldable, making it compact and easy to carry. Additional features include a remote control distance of up to 1000 meters without interference, a configuration frequency of 2.4 GHz, and a charging time of approximately 4 hours. The drone is suitable for users aged 14 and above and comes with certifications such as CE, FCC, and RoHS, ensuring compliance with safety standards. Number 2. Xiaomi Majar M6 Drone. The Xiaomi Majar M6 Drone is a professional-grade camera drone designed for aerial photography and videography. It features an 8K HD camera capable of capturing high-resolution videos and images, with multiple camera options including 4K, 6K, and 8K resolutions. The drone is equipped with a brushless motor for smoother flight and enhanced control, and it offers intelligent obstacle avoidance using visual sensors on all 4 sides. It supports optical flow positioning and altitude holding mode for stable flight, and can be operated in headless mode for ease of use. The drone has a flight time of approximately 18 minutes and can be controlled remotely up to 3000 meters away. Connectivity options include app controller, remote control, and Wi-Fi connection, with support for multiple languages in the app. It includes a built-in remote control camera that can be adjusted vertically and horizontally, and features real-time image transmission through its upgraded remote control with screen control. The drone comes with a variety of accessories, including a screwdriver, card reader, memory card, USB charging cables, and spare propellers. Overall, the Xiaomi Majar M6 Drone is a versatile and advanced option for users seeking high-quality aerial footage with convenient control features. Number 3. E99 Pro RC Drone. The E99 Pro RC Drone, a foldable quadcopter equipped with a 4K wide-angle HD camera and a variety of advanced features. Designed for aerial photography and FPV operation, this drone offers a stable flight experience with its altitude hold mode and 6-axis gyroscope system. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time image transmission via an app, and includes functions such as headless mode, one-key return, and trajectory flight, which allow the drone to autonomously follow a designated path. The drone is lightweight yet durable, made from high-strength engineering plastics, and has a compact design with foldable arms for easy portability. It operates on a frequency of 2.4 GHz, providing anti-interference technology and a remote control distance of up to 100 meters. Powered by a 3.7V 1800 mAh LiPo battery, it offers a flight time of approximately 10 minutes and features 3-level flight speed options for enhanced maneuverability. The package includes the quadcopter, transmitter, USB charging cable, and spare blades, making it an ideal gift toy for individuals aged 14 and above interested in professional drone photography. Number 4. L900 Pro SE. The L900 Pro series drones are highly versatile and feature-rich devices, designed for both beginners and experts, suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Manufactured by GSF in mainland China, these drones come equipped with brushless motors and offer advanced functionalities such as GPS navigation, FPV transmission, gesture shooting recognition, and multipoint flight route planning. The drones boast a 4K UHD video capture resolution, with the L900 Pro SE Max model featuring an enhanced 360 degrees obstacle avoidance capability. With dimensions varying between foldable and unfoldable configurations, the drones maintain a lightweight build around 220.4 g. They have a remote control distance of up to 1,200 meters without interference and a flight time of approximately 28 minutes. The drones are powered by a 7.4V 2200 mAh lithium battery, with a charging time of about 2 hours. Additional features include app control, auto return, follow me mode, integrated camera, and Wi-Fi capabilities. The drones are CE certified and come with a comprehensive set of accessories in the original box, making them ready to go upon assembly. Number 5. C10 RC Drone. The C10 RC Drone is a camera drone from the brand QJ, originating from mainland China. It is a lightweight drone, weighing only 120 grams, and is classified as a camera drone. The drone is equipped with an 8K HD video recording capability, providing a maximum video resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels. However, it lacks a GPS system and has a relatively short flight time of 12 minutes. The drone operates on a frequency of 2.4 GHz and has a sensor size of the 1st of February 84 inches. It is not equipped with an aerosol spraying system or spread tank, and it has a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram. Additionally, the drone can resist wind speeds of less than 10 km per hour and does not contain any high concern chemicals.